Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to make lasagna soup. Okay, so I started off making the ground beef. As you can see, I'm adding seasoning. Now I'm just mixing everything up really well. Then I'm going to be adding some garlic and the onions. Okay, so I'm just going to mix that up. Then I'm going to be adding some beef broth. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so now it's time to add the tomato sauce. So the sauce I'm using is tomato and basil. Okay, so while that was cooking, I went ahead and broke the noodles into small pieces so I could add them into the soup. Okay, so once the noodles is in, you just stir it up really well and then put the top on and let it cook. Okay, so while that was cooking, I added some ricotta cheese to the bowl. I added some seasoning, some cheese, and I mixed it up really well. When I was done with this, I put it in the refrigerator and I started on a homemade garlic bread. I added some butter and oregano to the bread and put it in the oven. Okay, so now that everything's done, you're just gonna see I'm gonna be making my plate.